Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video we will see another off-campus drive from the Prolifix company. Without wasting time we will directly proceed. They have provided some company information here. If you want to read, then please read. Job description we will check. Job title is trainee. This is full-time position. Work location is Hyderabad and Pune, and company will decide the place of deputation depending on the training completion and project allocation. Relocation will be needed post pandemic. CTC will be 3 LPA. Then eligibility criteria: professional graduate in BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA candidates. Okay, so BE, BTech, ME, MTech, ME, MTech, MCA candidates can apply. You should have excellent communication skill. If you don't have, still apply. A minimum academic score 60% throughout with no backlogs. A minimum score of 60% in high school in mathematics apart from the overall percentage of 60%. Then you should graduate from CS, IT, IS, Triple E and ECE candidates only. Electrical and electronic candidate can also apply. Only graduates from 2019 or later are eligible. I repeat, only graduates from of 2019 or later are eligible. Service agreement, there will be bond of 3 years. And skills required: ability to work in distributed environment, excellent communication and teamwork skills, great attention to detail, organizational skills, and willingness to learn and adapt to dynamic technical environment. So what will be your roles and responsibilities once you join Prolifix company? We are looking for a skilled trainee software engineer with good knowledge in full stack development, including but not limited to Java, Python, Node.js, then C++, C Sharp, .NET, with good logical and analytical thinking. It's not necessary to have knowledge in all these programming languages. If you are good in Java, that is enough. If you are good in Python, if you have done certification in the Python, that is also good. It's not necessary you should have all these things. If you have any one of knowledge regarding these out of this programming language, then that is also fine. Execute full software development life cycle. We know that every software engineer or every software developer, what are like what does the roles and responsibilities, that will be same. Okay, to design, to workflow, or to write code, deployment, debug, test, all these things will come under roles and responsibilities. Selection process will be, there will be online test, HR interview and technical interview. Then important guidelines: please read the job description and eligibility criteria and other terms and conditions before proceeding the test. There will be no extension of the date or time for the assessment. Candidates should complete the assessment before the mentioned deadline. Mode of interview: it will be online assessment, online interview. Okay, and the candidate should be available for the interview process post assessment. Selected candidates should be available for immediate joining. This is an immediate joining. And online assessment is live from 5 p.m. on 1st June 2021 to 5 p.m. on 3rd June 2021. Click on the below to proceed test and to register and appear for assessment. Okay, so you will get this link in the description box below. Okay, so you will get this link in the description box below. What you need to do, you need to click on the proceed to test. It will redirect to second page that I have already opened here. You can check here. Prolifix assessment, trainee software engineer is the position, and this test will be for 3 days from 1st June to 3rd June. And you can see here test is live, it is showing as test is live. Okay, so both are same, these both are same. Okay, so you can see here this test is already started at 11:58 a.m. On 1st June. Today is 1st June and it will end on 3rd June. So please apply before it expires and give the test. Duration of your online assessment test is 1 hour 30 minutes. But before directly proceeding to test, what you need to do, you need to read these instructions and you need to read the job description here. Okay, So this test is hosted via Mapit. Please read the instructions before proceeding. Okay, so these are the instructions they have mentioned here. Okay, so yeah, both are like same things. So you will get this link as well in the description box, so please apply. This test is live. What I will do, I will also register as a sample test, and I will provide aptitude test question video on for this off campus drive. Okay, so don't worry about test. I will give test and I will upload video on aptitude test asked questions. Okay, so please apply for this position, and yeah, thanks for watching this video.